I'm going to show you how you can fix lag in Blox Fruit Mobile. Now, on Blox Fruit Mobile here, when you first go in, you want to go ahead and first enable something called fast mode. You can see it reduces lag by disabling materials and it's recommended for mobile. So you want to go ahead and turn that on. You can see it'll say working and you can see finish in 0 seconds and now fast mode is on. This will reduce lag significantly. Now, after that's done, you want to go ahead and go to either the settings here. Now, on the settings, you want to go ahead and go to settings here again. Now on the settings here, you can see if you scroll down and then you want to find and go ahead and find graphics mode. Now on the graphics mode here, you want to set it from automatic to be manual, right? Now on manual, you want to go ahead on the graphics quality here, you want to turn it all the way down. And depends on how blacky your actual device is, you can either put it all the way down here or you can pull it a little down here as well. Now after that's done, we can go ahead and try playing. You can see if I try playing, you can see very smooth, no lag at all. You can see it's like this, no lag at all. You can see from doing all of those settings there, we can now just play this very smoothly with no lag whatsoever.